Hello students, today we start paper second discrete mathematics. First chapter of discrete mathematics is logic. First, propositional logic definition. Propositions. A proposition is a declarative sentence, that is a sentence that declares a fact that is either true or false but not both. For example, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Second, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Moon rises early in the morning. Next, 2 plus 0 equal to 3. Proposition first and second are true, whereas third and fourth are false. Next, following are the example which are not proposition. Proposition means a proposition is a declarative sentence, that is a sentence that declares a fact that is either true or false but not both. Here some examples of not propositions. First, what time is it? Second, read this book carefully. Next, x plus 5 equal to 10. Next, 5x plus 2y equal to z. Sentence first and second are not propositions because they are not declarative sentence. Sentence third, fourth are also not propositions because they are neither true or false. Note that each of sentence 3 and 4 can be turned into a proposition if we assigned values to the variables x in the next equation, x and y. Next, the conventional letters used for propositional variables are p, q, r, s and so on. The truth value of a proposition is true denoted by capital T if it is a true proposition, and the truth value of a proposition is false denoted by capital F if it is a false proposition. Next definition, negation of P. Let P be a proposition. The negative of P denoted by negation of P also denoted by P bar or negation of P is the statement it is not the case that P. Negation of P means it is not the case that P. Truth table for the negation of a proposition P is first P, write T and F. True proposition, false proposition. Negation of P, if proposition is true, then negation of P is false. If proposition is false, then negation of P is true. For example, proposition is today is Sunday, then negation of P is today is not Sunday. Today is not Sunday. Next, Michael's PC runs Linux. Negation of P is it is not the case that. It is not the case that Michael's PC runs Linux. Next example, which of these sentences are propositions? What are the truth value of those that are propositions? First, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Second, x plus 2 equal to 11. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 is a proposition, also it is a true proposition because 2 plus 3 equal to 5, we know that. 2 plus 3 equal to 5, this is a true proposition. True proposition. Second, x plus 2 equal to 11. This is not a proposition because the equation involves variable. This is not a proposition because it is neither true nor false. A proposition, it contains a variable, that's why this is not a proposition. Next example, what is the negation of each of these propositions? First, there is no pollution in Pune. Second, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. First, proposition P is there is no pollution in Pune, means negation of P is there is pollution in Pune. There is pollution in Pune. Second, proposition is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Negation of P is 2 plus 1 is not equal to 3. Next, logical connectivities. Logical connectives. Definition: the words which combine together by using two or more propositions are called logical connectives. For example, and, but, not, if, etc. A statement which contains logical connectives is called compound statement. Next, definition: let P and Q be propositions. The conjunction of P and Q denoted by P cap Q, P and Q, is the proposition P and Q. Read this as P and Q. The truth table for P and Q is: first write two propositions PQ. In P column write TT, FF. In Q column write TF, TF. P and Q. If two propositions are true, then P and Q is true. And if one proposition is true, second proposition is F, then P and Q is F. Similarly for FT, P and Q, F. FF, P and Q, F. Next, for example, P proposition is today is Sunday, Q proposition is it is raining. Then P and Q is today is Sunday and it is raining. Next definition, P or Q. Let P and Q be propositions. The disjunction of P and Q denoted by P or Q is the proposition P or Q. Read this as P or Q. Truth table for disjunction is: first write PQ, P or Q. Next write TTFF. In Q column TF, TF. P or Q gives if TT then T, TF then P or Q is T, F T means F or T equal to T, F or F equal to F. For example, P proposition is you will go to college. Q proposition is you will go to market. P or Q gives you will go to college or market. Next definition, let P and Q be propositions. The conditional statement P implies Q is the proposition if P then Q. A conditional statement is also called an implication. The truth table for the conditional statement is: first write P, Q, P implies Q. TT, FF, TF, TF. T implies T, T. T implies F, F. F implies T, T. F implies F, T. Next, for example, P is Sonali learned Python language. Q is Sonali find a good job. Then P implies Q is if Sonali learned Python language. If Sonali learned Python language, then she find a good job. Then she find a good job. Next definition. Let P and Q propositions the biconditional statement P if and only if Q is the proposition P if and only if Q. Biconditional statements are also called by implications. For example, P is two lines are intersect, Q is two lines have common point. Then double implication of P and Q is two lines are intersects if and only if they have common point. Two lines are intersects if and only if they have common point. Next, truth table for double implication P if and only if Q is PQ, P double implication Q means T if and only if T, T if and only if F means F if and only if T means F if and only if F is true. Next, converse, contrapositive and inverse. First, the proposition Q implies P is called converse of P implies Q. That is, converse of P implies Q is Q implies P. Inverse of P implies Q is negation of P implies negation of Q. Contrapositive of P implies Q is negation of Q implies negation of P. Next, consider following conditional statement. If you are good in logic, then you are good in programming. First, write P and Q propositions. P is you are good in logic. Q is you are good in programming. Then first converse. Here P given statement is in the form of P implies Q. Converse is Q implies P means if you are good in programming, then you are good in logic. Second, inverse. Inverse means negation of P implies negation of Q means if you are not good in logic, then you are not good in programming. You are not good in programming. Third, contrapositive. Contrapositive means negation of Q implies negation of P means if you are not good in programming, then you are not good in logic. You are not good in logic. We are stop here.